Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for beginners. Bitcoin is exploding. It jumped over 68,000 on March 4. Year to date, it jumped over 53%. Over the past 5 days, it jumped 8.78%, and over the past 1 month alone, it jumped over 57.59%. That's pretty good. Did you buy Bitcoin or did you miss out? Comment down below. Today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why Bitcoin is exploding, and in the middle of the videos I'm going to tell you how much higher can it go. At the end of the video I'm going to tell you one reason most people don't know that Bitcoin could rise to the moon. On February 25th, I talked about Bitcoin could go over 69,000 before April 19. It's not even 1 month yet, it's only just a week. After I made this video, Bitcoin go past 68,000 and 69,000. Who bought Bitcoin after watching this video? Comment down below. And who missed out? If you missed out, comment down below. Why is Bitcoin exploding? GBTC added about 5,000 tokens, so they now have more than 192,000. MicroStrategy has 190,000 Bitcoins. So I don't think MicroStrategy is selling. So if you have more people holding onto Bitcoin and there's more demand, do you think Bitcoin is gonna go up or go down? Reason number 2, BlackRock fights to purchase more Bitcoin ETFs for their SIO funds. You see, more and more institutions are buying Bitcoin via ETFs, so there are more demand. Now the banks are thinking about making more crypto-related offerings. Wells Fargo, Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley. Remember, the bank used to say cryptos are scams, Bitcoin is scam. Now they changed their tone. They were so afraid that Bitcoin will replace banking. Now they see huge demand for cryptocurrency Bitcoin. They changed their tone. Remember, that's why if you are buying 401k or ETF, you are paying money to the institutions and the banks. They take fees from you. That's why they always encourage you to invest in 401k and ETF. Dollar cost average. Put your salary in stock markets. But if you know how to do stock investing yourself, call option, put option, advance option yourself, you don't need to buy ETF or 401k. I'm not suggesting you to just ignore completely. If your company gave you a match, yes, take it. It's free money. On top of that, I prefer to do investing, trading myself, because if I trade options, I made 10,000 profits, I only need to pay 50 cents. If I made 100,000, I only need to pay 50 cents. It doesn't matter how much profit I make, I only need to pay flat fee to my stockbroker. But if you put your money in ETF, then you will be paying a lot more. Let's say you put 10,000 in ETF or mutual funds, even if they charge you only 1%. For 10,000 you pay $100 every year. For 100,000 you pay $1,000. You see, the higher your portfolio goes up, the higher you pay. Or you're gonna say, who cares? The more I make, the more I'm willing to pay them. Just think about it. If you lose money, you still need to pay. You put in 100,000, you lost 10,000, your portfolio become 90,000. You still need to pay $900. You see? That's why they always make money even if you lose money. That's why I really don't like to invest in 401k. Over the top of the match. Never invest more than the match. I'd rather take that money and use in stock investing, call option, put option, or advance option. I just need to pay flat fee of 50 cents. Over time, you will see people who know about stock investing, option trading, they make more money than people who just invest regularly in 401k. Most people are gonna invest in 401k because they do not see how much fees the institution take out from your portfolio. That could be hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars over 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So learn how to do stock investing, call option, put option, advance option. Subscribe my channel, I'm going to teach you more in future. Bitcoin is exploding. Reason number one, Bitcoin supply is only 900 per day. The total supply is limited. We only have 1.35 million Bitcoin left to be mined. Once supply is limited, and look at demand. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF alone draws 520 million in a day. Just in one day, if you divide 520 million by 67,000 Bitcoin price, we get about 7,800 Bitcoins in demand. That's only one ETF. Just imagine how many ETFs are there. More than 10 ETFs for Bitcoins. So if the demand is so high, supply is so low, and I own Bitcoin, I'm not selling Bitcoin, what's going to happen? If buyers want to buy Bitcoin, the only way for them to attract seller is to increase the price. You see? That's reason number one. Of course, this is not financial advice to buy or sell Bitcoins. I'm just teaching you what I think, and I own Bitcoins. I'm just telling you what I own. Before I talk about one reason most people don't know Bitcoin could rise to the moon, we're going to look at how much higher can Bitcoin go. This article said Bitcoin current bull market could end in August or September 2025. Before that, Bitcoin could reach 130,000 to 200,000, and also Bitcoin could theoretically reach 1 million. However, the value of between 250,000 and 500,000 within the upcoming harvest cycle represent a reasonable expectation. What do you think? Do you want me to make a separate video analyzing my data and making a predictions about Bitcoin price? If you want, comment down below. I want to watch your Bitcoin price predictions. One secret reason Bitcoin could rise to the moon that most people don't know. Are you ready? At least one country could announce that they have been buying Bitcoin this year. Just imagine if one country announced that they have been buying and holding Bitcoin instead of gold, and other countries follow, the demands will be so huge. Remember, cash is limitless. Bitcoin is limited. So if you're holding cash, you are so afraid to lose your cash. But governments around the world are printing money. The more supplies what you're holding becomes less and less. That's why whenever you get the cash, invest in stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, and most importantly, education. Education is really important. Whenever I make money, I invest in education. That's why I retire before 30 and I become richer and richer. If you want to watch more Bitcoins and cryptocurrency videos, I talk about January 12, 30,000 Bitcoin. At the time, it was only 17,000. You can go watch this video. And if you missed that video, it's also okay. If you had watched me on September 11, 2023, Bitcoin was only 25,000. It's almost triple, 3 times within a few months. Did you watch this video before? Comment down below. If you missed that video, it's alright. I also talk about Bitcoin on December 16, 2023. It was only 42,000 at the time. You see, that's why it's very important to keep learning and watching. Also follow mentors who already achieved what you already want. You can go to my YouTube playlist and watch more Bitcoins and cryptocurrency videos. And if you want to ask me any questions really quick, you can join my mentorships. The link is gonna be in the description comment below. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.